What is up, everybody? This is Joe Hahn here with Auto Detailing. If you guys don't know, I recently purchased a 2002 Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna make it my mobile detailing unit. Got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I already polished it and ceramic colored it. Today I just changed out the lower ball joints. Now here is something I want to do more for convenience, and there's not a single video on YouTube on how to do it. So these are the cup holders that my truck came with. As you can see, they are broken. So I went ahead and ordered some brand new ones that work, and I'm going to show you how you guys can install it, and it's actually really easy. So as you can see, the color of these ones don't completely match up, but that is not a problem. Let me show you how to change them. There are 3 little screws, Phillips head screws right there. Literally just undo those and then you'll be able to swap out the plates. Okay, now that we've got the bolts off, they literally just pop out. Just like that. Super simple. Grab the one that you want, put it back on. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but there's some little nubs right there. Line it up with these. Again, this is kind of difficult one-handed. There you go, and then just screw it back in and you'll be good. Okay, just like that, we have swapped it out. And if your replacement didn't come with some little Allen bolts, then make sure you save the ones from your broken one. So we're gonna take these out, slide them in, and then on this little hole right there, that's where you're gonna go ahead and thread them in. All right, so now we have it kind of seated in there, and sorry, it's kind of hard. There you can see the hole, and you're gonna grab your little, I'm telling you, it's little Allen key thingy, and got hard one-handed, but just go ahead and put it in there and just tighten it up. There's another one on the other side. This one, you can, if like you got a little tiny ratchet thing, you can use it there, but on the other side you're gonna have to have a small Allen key. Don't ask me what size it is, I don't know, I just grabbed one that fit. Okay, I think it was this size, 3/32. That's gonna be the Allen key you need. And just like that, she is in. So let's go ahead and go to the other side. Alrighty, so now we've got this part in, and now is the tedious part where you gotta tighten it with this Allen key. Alright, so now that we got both these bolts tightened, this should, in theory, work. And boom, just like that, we have fixed our cup holders. And you can buy one of these parts on eBay for like $30 or $40, whether it be the Toyota Sequoia Gen 1 or the Tundra Gen 1. It should both work. So yeah, I hope this helps. Maybe there is a video out there on how to replace them. I haven't found one. A lot of the forums, people say to completely take apart the bottom of the dash, and I'm like, no, I can't. It can't be that difficult. But it's literally just 2 bolts right there, and then the other side, and then just swap them out. So there you go. Hope this helps. Now I know it may not mean much to you guys to have some working cup holders, but I personally think these pop-up cup holders are really cool. So being able to have them working just makes me that much happier. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for anyone who was going with the same issue that I was. But yeah, it's super duper easy. Just get them on eBay, and then just literally take out those 2 screws, pull it out, push it in, you're good. So yeah, thank you guys. See you next time.